Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ifactner's Learn Punjabi through English video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will learn what do we call different animals in Punjabi. Let's start. Animal is janwar. Janwar. Antelope is Hiran. Hiran. Bear is Richh. Richh. Buffalo is Majh. Majh. Bull is Bayal. Bayal. Camel is Oont. Oont. Cat is Billi. Billi. Cheetah is Cheeta. Cheetah. Cow is Gaw. Gaw. Deer is Hiran. Hiran. Dog is Kutta. Kutta. Donkey is Khota. Khota. Elephant is Haathi. Haathi. Fox is Lomer. Lomer. Frog is Dudoo. Dudoo. Giraffe is Ziraafa. Ziraafa. Goat is Bakri. Bakri. Hedgehog is Kharpusht. Kharpusht. Horse is Ghora. Ghora. Leopard is Taindwa. Taindwa. Or leopard is also called Cheeta, Sher, Cheeta. Lion is Sher. Sher. Monkey is Bandar. Bandar. Mouse is Chooha. Chooha. Ostrich is Shutar murg. Shutar murg. Panda is Panda. Panda. Snake is Sup. Sup. Tiger is Taiger. Taiger. Wolf is Bhaghiar. Bhaghiar. And zebra is Zebra. Zebra. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me.